Hey everyone, I'm Siddharth. I work closely with teams who are actually trying to use AI, not just talk about it.
And this is Harshita. I worked on building AI products at Nyukt AI,
This is the first episode of a new series we're calling AI in Practice.
where we talk honestly about what happens after the AI demo ends.
So, almost every team today is already using AI, but the problem isn't access anymore.
Its impacts.
Exactly. Everyone has tried ChatGPT, and some teams use it every single day.
But when you ask a simple question like, did this actually changes how we work? The answer is, as usual, not really.
And that's the frustrating part. Leaders were promised transformation.
But what they got was another tool to manage.
So, for the last couple of years, AI was judged by how impressive the demo looked.
In 25, the questions are very difficult like, can it fit into real workflow? Can people trust it? Can it work under real world rules, pressures, and compliance?
And when the answer is not really, people feel disappointed.
They tried AI, they paid for tools, but nothing fundamentally changed.
And that's not because AI is weak.
It's because it's being used in isolation. Let's
So,
talk about most common example like ChatGPT.
yeah, because almost everyone watching this has used it.
And most teams started the same way.
So, I'll just put in a prompt, which is a very vague prompt, but we'll see how it gives you an answer. So, as you can see, ChatGPT does answer your question, and the answer really sounds smart.
But it's generic. There is no context, no constraint, nothing you can actually act on.
Okay, so now imagine this instead, where we put in a more detailed prompt with more context. So let's see how that works out. Yeah, so as you can see, the the answer has completely changed, and suddenly all the questions change as well.
Yeah, why does generic AI fails inside workflows? What would a workflow aligned AI system need to do instead?
So as you can see, it's the same AI but a very different outcome.
Because the moment you add responsibility,
AI stops being a toy and starts becoming a system. This is a pattern we see again and again.
healthcare and operations teams uses AI to summarize inputs like symptoms, forms, notes, etc.
Like the summary looks good and then everything stops.
A human still decide urgency, still routes the case, still document anything for complaints.
So instead of removing the work, AI actually adds another handoff.
Which means delays, inconsistency, and risk.
Not because the AI is wrong, but because it's disconnected from the workflow. And this gap is exactly why we're building Nyukt AI.
We are not building only AI that just answers questions.
We're building an AI that lives inside workflows.
AI that understand context, apply rules, and help team actually move forward.
So in industries such as healthcare, enterprise operations, and in a few regulated environments, this isn't optional.
It's critical. If you are already using AI but still relying on spreadsheets, manual hands-ons, and human glue,
That's exactly the gap Nyukt AI is designed to solve.
we will find link to you what we build in the description.
If you're responsible for outcomes, not just experimentation, then we should talk.
Let us in the comments which workflow you are struggling with or what you would like us to cover next.
This is AI in practice, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.